Okay, welcome back to Scalable Stand channel. In this particular video, we are going to discuss how to prepare and appear for Microsoft Cloud exam for free. Okay, so there are more than one ways to get the certification from Microsoft. This is not limited to Microsoft Azure. Even there are other cloud certifications related to Microsoft 365 and security, which you can appear for free. Okay, I'll walk you through on step by step. And on a very high level, these are the 5 different methods or 5 different options through which you can avail the free vouchers, like Microsoft Ignite attendance, doing a skills challenge and getting the voucher, attending Microsoft online virtual event. And this is where most of us will be applying for the virtual event based attendance voucher. Okay, so this is a kind of voucher that you will get once you attend the Microsoft online virtual event. Even if you are doing some completing skill challenge, this is not a regular thing, but the skills challenge will be released very often, and then you can appear for that. Student offer is limited to students, and the corporate discount is again 100%. There is no 50% or no limited discounts there. So you can get to appear for any Microsoft exam if you're working for a particular corporate MNC for free. Okay, not just limited to fundamentals exam, even all the exams from Microsoft can be taken for free of cost. And besides that, there are other options like for the trainers or for the alumni. We have a lot of different free vouchers, but I'll cover up these common options. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's get into the portal here. So if you go to Microsoft training days, so you can get the complete list of Microsoft virtual training days, not limited to Microsoft Azure. Even some of the Microsoft 365 security and other business application related trainings are delivered here, but you have to go and look out for the upcoming Microsoft Azure session, the fundamental event. Mostly like we'll be attending the Microsoft Azure fundamentals event, like the one on the right. Maybe even if you want to attend the AI fundamentals or the other exams pertaining to virtual desktops or data fundamentals, you can go and appear for that. But these exams, these particular events on the right are the upcoming ones. But there are other regional events like limiting to Asia Pacific time zone, or there are some events that happens in Oceania time zone and so on, which might be very closer to the Indian attendees. Okay, so based on your availability and based on the time zone, you can go and register for one of these events which are upcoming. So if you look at here, if the event is already full, it will come as the event is full, and you can also get the full list of event from the website link here. So it will take you to a link where you can find out what are the upcoming virtual trainings that are scheduled in different time zones, not just limited to US. Okay, so let me close this. So this is the very first step that you generally take, okay, if you want to appear for the exam. And once after you are done, you can go to this particular portal. I'll just copy the link here. So you have to go to this Microsoft certifications link. So if you open up this will take you to the certification browse and exams listing. Okay, on this particular portal, if you look at on the right, you have a lot of different products towards which Microsoft is conducting exams, and you can also filter it down by different roles. For example, if you are planning to appear for Azure Administrator exam, you can select this, and based on the role, you can go and filter it down. And if you scroll down, there are certification categories like fundamentals and the other categories which Microsoft provides. Okay, and if you want to filter down your certifications to, the types to certification, you can select this. But if you know the exam code, what you can do is you can directly go and type AZ 900, which is the Microsoft Azure fundamentals exam, and there are two options here, right? So we want to go and appear for the exam here. I can select this. This will take you to a portal where you have the option to go and explore what they are offering, and maybe what are the other details credit that you get, and also you also get to understand the passing score and some of the other details here. And before, if this is the first exam that you are taking with Microsoft or online exam, okay, what you can do is you can go to this particular exam sandbox, and you can try it from your laptop so that you can understand if there is any blocks in your laptop or any configuration that you need to change before you take up the exam. These days you don't have to go and take the exam from a center nearby. Even you can take it from home, which will be a invigilation which will be a monitored exam. But if in case you need any help or assistance from them, they will be able to support it online. Okay, so you can try this exam sandbox here. Go and accept it. It will open up the exam sandbox where you can have a feel of how the exams will look like, and you can give it a try to complete this exam. So, okay, this will help you to do a mock exam here. Okay, so if you are done with that, then you can go and take up the exam. So if you want to change the currency to India, you can change it here, and approximately it will be around 3,800 or close to 3,900 for this exam. Okay, it is 3,700. Okay, and you can go and schedule it with Pearson VUE, and also you can take the official practice test. There is a link below, and here you need to fill in the you can log in with your email address which you have used for attending the Microsoft virtual event. That is important. Okay, or else even you can go and link it later. Okay, so once after you are done, you can complete the profile, you can fill in all the essential details, and once you are done, you will be taken up to a screen like this where you will have to fill in your email address. Okay, this is where you have to fill in the email address which you used for attending the Microsoft online event. So once after you enter it, you will be receiving an email verifying your eligibility. Okay, once you receive the code, you can enter the code, and once you have once you have got that, you will get a um, top discount icon like this. I'll show you how it looks like. So you'll get something like this, Microsoft Training Day Attendance, and you can click on claim, and you can move on with registering, completing the registration. Okay, at the very end of the screen, you will see something like this. You have eligibility of based on the exam voucher. You are completely you can take it for free, and the estimated total due will be 0 once after you complete all the screens, upcoming screens. Okay, if you have attended the online event but you haven't received your vouchers or the confirmation, what you can do is you can take a screenshot of your attendance and you can send it to techskillsupport@microsoft.com, and they will send you the voucher or they will send you the confirmation on how you can appear for the exam for free. Okay, so you have to attach the proof of attendance. Okay, so but don't do it on the next day of attending the event. You have to wait at least 3 to 5 days, and then the voucher is good for 90 days. Okay, so you can attend it anytime in the next 3 months. Okay, so you will get a confirmation email like this. So yeah, if you raise a ticket with tech skill support, they will immediately respond. Or if you want to take this with Microsoft certification support forum, you can also go and get help from the certification support link that I have mentioned below. Okay, trainingsupport.microsoft.com, or else you can type aka.ms/certification support. Okay, so once you come, this is where you have to claim it. If you are already a particular company's employee, or if you're working for an MNC, you can try that company's email ID here. It will go and open up a screen which will link your personal ID with the official ID. And if you are working for XYZ company, like here, it will show up the company name, and you can go and claim every single exam, not just limited to fundamental exam. Any exam can be taken for free. Even the mid-level or administrator level exams can be taken for free. Okay, so those are the different options that you have. Besides that, Microsoft generally launches the build challenge or some kind of skill challenge. So this year we had one in May, and there are some other challenges which might come in the future. Once you complete that skills challenge, you will also be eligible for appearing for the exams. And similarly, if you go and use this cloud skills challenge, this is still open. You can go and start learning along with Microsoft documentations and video tutorials, so that you get a free voucher through this option also. And Microsoft conducts Ignite event even if you attend this Ignite event, you will be eligible to go and get the voucher for free. So once after you attend it, you get a kind of option like this. Okay, this is where I was explaining, right? If you go and enter your company's email address, it will you will receive a code in your official email address, and it is nothing to worry with the current company, or if you're planning to change your company, it's not going to make any difference. So that's fine. Okay, it will go and link your personal email address with the corporate email address, and then you will be able to appear for any exam for free. Okay, not just limited to Azure 900 or fundamentals. Any exam can be taken for free of cost. Okay, then the other thing, maybe if you want to take support from Microsoft, you can go to trainingsupport.microsoft.com, and you can just go to Microsoft certification here, and this is where you can go and get immediate chat support from Microsoft. Okay, so if you are a student, okay, then you need to follow these steps which I have outlined in my documentation. Just give me a minute. I'll open up the file here. So if you are a student, again, it's very much similar. You have to go to the same learning portal. Most of the exams are available for free, similar to your regular offer. You have to log in with your ID, and then you can go and also you have to get an ID from Cloud Ready Limited. Okay, this is like they are facilitating this on behalf of Microsoft. Okay, if you go and get a confirmation from Cloud Ready, you can also go and start appearing for all these fundamentals exam from Microsoft for free. Even if you are a student, if you don't have any kind of official email IDs or corporate credentials, you can also appear for the exam for free. Okay, there are more than one method. Okay, you can follow any of these methods to get the voucher for free. The last option that I want to explain is around the alumni and Microsoft certified trainer. Even for them, if they are part of the employment, they can go and appear for 3 exams, I guess. In 3, they will get 3 discount vouchers for every membership year, and they will be able to take the exams for free. So the most common approach is going and attending the Microsoft virtual training days. And once after you attend the virtual training days, you will be receiving a voucher in 3 to 5 business days. And you can use that email ID to go and register for the exam. And you have to enter this email ID here to verify the discount. And it'll give a pop-up on the top where saying virtual attendance, virtual day attendance discount, and you can claim and you can complete the registration for your exam. So you have to do it on the Pearson VUE portal, which I have briefed it here. Okay, you have to go and do this on examregistration.microsoft.com. Okay, so share it with your friends, whoever is interested to take Microsoft exams, either they are student or working for a particular organization. This will be very helpful for them. Okay, thank you for listening.